Hey, what's up guys? Thomas Feng with Bay Area Connect. This Monday's market report is going to be for Cupertino area for April of 2012. To get a copy of this market report, shoot me an email at thomas.feng@gmail.com. To see all this data overlaid with new listings, sold listings, and also school data, give me a call 408-840-3852. I'm also on Facebook at facebook.com/Bay Area Connect. Like my page and you'll get all my new listings, real estate news, and weekly market reports sent to your newsfeed automatically, so it's real easy. Alright, let's jump into the stats for April of 2012. The median list price of all current listings is at $998,500, up 7%. April's median sales price was at $1,021,500, up 9%. Total properties currently for sale, the inventory is at 63, down 5%. April's average days on market is at 26 days, down 32%, and April's number of properties sold is at 78, up 35%. So right now we're seeing the trends that listing prices are moving up just a little bit, and we've been seeing this for the past couple of months. But the biggest news is that sales prices are definitely jumping up huge amounts, and we're seeing a lot of sales happening in the Cupertino area. Next up, we're going to be taking a look at property sales. April property sales were at 78, up 6.8% from 73 in April of 2011, and 34.5% higher than the 58 sales last month. April 2012 sales were at their highest level compared to April of 2011 and 2010. So right now we're seeing that the sales in the Cupertino area is definitely trending well compared to the previous 2 years. We're doing really well. We're holding about the same number of sales for the past 2 years. Next up is going to be pricing. The median sales price in April was at $1,021,500, up 7% from $952,888 in April of 2011, and up 8.7% from $940 last month. The average sales price in April was at $1,041,618, up 3% from $1,011,541 in April of 2011, and up 7.4% from $969,467 last month. The April 2012 ASP was at a mid-range compared to the April of 2011 and 2010. So right now we're seeing that the pricing is definitely jumping up, skyrocketing in April. And also for the rolling 3-month average, we're seeing that climb, as well as prices continue to rise for purchase of homes. Next up is going to be inventory. Total inventory of properties available for sale as of April was at 63, down 4.5% from 66 last month, and down 52% from 132 in April of last year. April 2012 inventory was at the lowest level compared to April of 2011 and 2010. So right now we're seeing continued low inventory, but on this graph we're seeing that since December the inventory has actually been climbing. So this is really good news. We see it climbing slowly, but as the market continues to pick up, we anticipate more sellers coming into the market, which will increase the amount of inventory as well. Next up is market time. The days on market for April was at 26, down 31% from 38 days last month, and down 7% from 28 days in April of last year. The April 2012 days on market was at a mid-range compared to April of 2011 and 2010. So from this graph we're seeing that since December the days on market has been dropping down at a very steady rate, currently trending at about 26 days. So these are very fast closes that we're seeing happening in the Cupertino area. Selling price per square foot. The selling price per square foot is a great indicator for the direction of property values. It's currently trending at $599 for April of 2012, which is up 4.5% from $573 last month, and up 4.5% from $573 in April of last year. So again, on this graph, we're seeing the price per square foot skyrocket as homes are selling for huge profits right now. In some areas of Cupertino, we're seeing 60 to 80K price increases. Next up, let's take a look at our new listings and sold listings. So for the Cupertino area in April of 2012, we had a total of 94 new listings, 10 in the 700,000, 6 in the 600,000, 8 in the 500,000, and 12 below 400, for a total of 36 out of 94 properties that are listed below the 700Ks. For the sold properties, we had a total of 92 sold properties, 11 in the 700, 8 in the 600s, 9 in the 500s, and 7 below the 400Ks, for a total of 39 out of 92 sold below 700K. For a year-to-date numbers, for 2012, we've sold a total of 141 properties, and 48 of those were sold in April. So right now, to give you guys an analysis of what we're seeing in the Cupertino area, right now we're seeing about a third of the sold and listed properties below the 700K price point. So 2/3 of the Cupertino market is going to be above that price point. Right now, again, in the Monte Vista area, we're seeing most of those homes listed at above $1 million plus. And right now, we're seeing a lot more listings in the Cupertino high area versus Lynbrook area. And in those two areas, we're seeing a lot of homes being listed around the 900K and 800K price point. Again, the real estate market is constantly changing, and we're seeing it heating up in all parts of Silicon Valley. To sit down to discuss your situation, what you're looking for in the market, and really what to expect, give me a call, 408-840-3852. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great week.